Very easy. The people claim that them have your back.
In the streets,
they turn around and them stop up there.
in the streets,
25 girls when dancing inside.
in the streets,
Hey, they're talking to them, Mr. Gordy. The people up on that bitch and chat, lift flaps, turn twice and run them out to get a smack up. You better watch yourself, check yourself in the street. Hot your food and ready for the eat. Out there, right side of y'all in the street. Everyone looking at the Sydney, sweating sweet. Wind up themselves with the sound that they beat. Sending the whistle when I'm free to it.
in the streets,
Hustle and me say the urban
in the streets,
something that me have been given
in the streets,
Babylon I try to make things tough
in the
again.
streets.
But hustling me gonna keep on hustling.
Some boys are blue, them not really true. Them cheap people, them cheap people, them big people, them lock up some innocent people. Man, hustle on the corner. Him sell a little green for feed him. Police confiscate us and put him behind the gate. As him take off his bathroom, smoke it in him garage. Some Babylon are informer. Some Babylon are informer.
In the streets. Yeah, man, a long time in the food there, that's man.
LPs, what's going on, man?
Yeah, man, well, this tune you selected was from 2010. Our very first album, In the Streets, that we dropped. But after that, we dropped an album called Kingston University. That's our sophomore album. Then after that, we dropped our third album, Kingston City, that went #1 on the reggae Billboard charts. So, you know, it's a blessing. We represent Brooklyn, New York City. New York City, so shout out to everybody representing. You don't know them rhythm there.
Alright, let's do it. Can't do it, man, anything.
This is New Kingston.
Yeah.
I own a bar. So any rhythm again with a dancehall or reggae, me know so I can angle it. Make some noise for New Kingston.
Yeah.
Make some noise for New Kingston. Them are from our town. And them are represent we. And they're going to be live at the Jerk Festival, man. New King.
See it there.
New Kingston.
Watch it up.
Hey. Yeah. Whoa.
Silent.
Hey. There's some act like this Kingston fire. Man, I look for work and can't get higher. Restore the earth so me can't get higher. I feel on them up coming a shot of fire. The youths them go to school and you teach them beer life. Up them out the street and don't know them shoe size. Pocket full of paper just to make it fit right. Anything just to get by. Such a yes, you put me to the test, I know. Such a bless me anywhere I go. Such a gives me strength to defeat my foes. Whoa.
Got to find a way.
And me tell them say, whoa.
Just show by the way. In my town, people, the things them know what to do. I be jungle 3 jobs just to feed them youth. I Sophia race, but them not raise the truth. Them know what we they are, so we sing it to the move. I feel work harder now. Them know we stronger now. I don't know harder now. Your people hear me now. Feel we life, so we have got take back control. Feel we life, so them know that take back the soul.
Such a yes, you put me to the test, I know. Such a bless me anywhere I go. Such a gives me strength to defeat my foes. Say, whoa. Got to find a way. Whoa. Yeah, man.
When I don't know the tonight. Pops plug in now, you know. Yes, man. Pops plug in now.
Yes.
New Kingston.
Yes.
Alright, New York City. We need your help with this one. Big up Father P. I'm Courtney Jr., that's Courtney Sr. This is Tyre Pantan. Big up to Steve. But right now we're gonna build a vibes with y'all right now. Let me hear y'all.
Say oh yeah. Say oh yeah.
Hold on, I need to hear my proud people that's here that love live reggae music. Let me hear you sing along.
Say oh yeah. Say oh yeah. Say reggae music.
Watch it to
Kingston and Welling, so
show I the way. Guide me through these evil roadblocks.
Watch them.
I and I keep the faith. Them can't.
Yeah. You can't stop a man when you try. When we working hard every day of our life, man a righteous you, so we have to get up like. Same word life, never give up the fight. You can't stop a man when you try. When we working hard every day of our life, all we really need is to get a little fly. Same word life, never give up the fight. Yeah man, vibes up there, vibes up there, vibes up there. Hey, drum solo.
I watch that style, yeah. Hey, enough of them fake, but we not watch that.
No.
They are just a vibe to some classic super cat. If you said, darling, my baby, one sec.
Darling, my baby.
Enough of them fake, but we not watch that.
Yeah.
They are just a vibe to some classic super cat. If you said,
Darling, my baby.
if you said, only my lady can stop me from going crazy. Cause in this time ain't no time feeling lazy. Some boys sit down and I wait for the top, but man a hard work and some know me not go flop.
You can't stop a man when you try. When we working hard every day of our life, man a righteous youth, so we have to get up blind. Say more life, never give up the fight. Yeah, you can't stop a man when you try. When we working hard every day of our life, all we really need is to get a little blind. Say more life, don't give up the fight. Hey. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
The good dancehall style, you know.
Listen,
Richard, big up.
go get your tickets right now. Tickets available inside. We're talking about the Jerk Festival. The date is Sunday, July 22nd. The Royal is part of the place to be. New Kingston, they are confirmed. And of course, we can't leave out the drummer. Make some noise for the drummer, man. I mean, we need you over the 12 time HQ, man. No, sir. Now beat the drum like you're there. Congo general, like you know the thing.
Boom, 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 shots. Watch it, you know. This is New Kingston. We're here, lovely day right now. You know, music has been around our generation for a long time because of our father, the foundation of our band. You know, New Kingston, we're a father and son band. And, you know, enough respect to this man here, big man. He introduced us to a wide variety of music that has shaped us and formed us into the band that we are today.
I remember the first time I remember touching the stage was with my father's good friend Derek Barnett, somewhere in a backyard in the Bronx, Harlem, yeah, you know, and I was probably like, I don't know, 7 years old, I don't know, a little older than that, yeah, probably like 13 maybe, you know, and I remember just playing the keyboard. I think it was Rain from the Skies from Dennis Brown, yeah, you know, very difficult song for a 13-year-old to play, you know, so that was like the first time, but ever since then, the vibes were so right, we just kept it going, and you know, many years later, we are where we are now. We come from far, you see it.
Yeah, well, for aspiring musicians and artists, I say, get your craft up to a level, a good level, you know? Because what I'm doing with this kind of festival and now is them presenting concert type thing where you have to showcase a good presentation, not just two-song run on and run off, you know, you have to come with a real good presentation, so your talent have to be wider now, you know, and the West Indians them are embracing that kind of a presentation now, so I would advise you definitely to practice and make sure your skills is above a certain level, you know, not just depending on a one big ray and run off. You need more than that.
Yeah, man, big up Road International, you know, that's the family from long time, you know. New Kingston, we were born in New York City, so that's a foundation sound, you know. And we just did like a jam thing with them, and we went back to some tracks days when we just singing and vibing with the people, you know, so it was a good experience, you know what I'm saying? My pops, he picked up the guitar and we did acoustic vibe too, so it's good. We got the people involved, you know, they're getting ready for the Jerk Fest, you know.
Are you having to? Yeah, I'm going to start on the tail, because Jerk Fest is good. Good music, good food, you know, just celebrating all aspects of the West Indian culture. You know what I say, presenting it, and the people them can come out dress up in them nice little outfit and thing and enjoy the music and the food and just being amongst people like each other, yourself in a vibe where it's just fun.
Food and music is the best combination, you know what I'm saying? And like the OG boss Patchin said, she said, you know, it's only 3 months of summer, so just come out and enjoy yourself. It's a lot of family vibes. We're a family, so we're going to get the families involved. And you have a bunch of artists, Elephant Man, Hood Celebrity, L.U.S.T, Jahmiel, Pato Rankin, and New Kingston. It's going to be a mad vibe. Make sure you come through. I'm telling you, it's going to be mad. I'm from New York City, so man, no, vibes are going mad.
Look how far we come.
Look how far we have to go.
Yeah, man, this is New Kingston, and we're bigging up the one and only Reggae Vibes Radio.
Girl, why not on it? Tiki tiki tack and stop. The way she tick like a clock and attack like she hot.